Hello and welcome to a Label Zone unboxing video. Today we're looking at the QL-800 series. I'll also point out the differences between the QL-800 and the QL-810. So here we have the printer box itself. Standard for Brother to look like this. It's got its information here saying it contains 2 starter rolls. And there's some information down here such as easy to use, an auto cut, print resolution of 300 by 600 dots per inch, up to 93 labels per minute print speed, a maximum print width of 62mm, and black and red printing, which is new. This is new to Brother DK rolls, requires the DK-22251 labels. If we twist it onto its side, find more of the standard information, connect USB cable on the built-in label design software, or you can download the full version for PC and Mac. On the back, some more information, print labels without software installation, print black and red with the correct tape cartridge installed, print speed, USB interface, automatic cutter, print resolution, pretty much everything that's written on the front really. It's got the contents of the box, which we'll actually open up and have a look, but it mentions 2 DK rolls, USB cable and power cable, setup guide, and the printer itself. System requirements, anything Windows Vista and later, and then Mac OS X 10.10 or later. On to this side, there's just some demonstration labels of the type of things you can print with this, such as black on yellow with the correct tape cartridge, CD labels, shipping labels, and also the black and red on white labels. So let's open this up. All Brother boxes tend to be sort of the same design, but this one is ever so slightly different, so this pops open like this. There's a unusual square tube there, doesn't have anything in it. Here we find the power cable and the USB cable. On this side we have a starter roll of the standard address labels, which are 29 by 90mm, and a starter roll of the DK-22251, which is the black and red on white paper. So it's just a sample roll. It's about 5 meters long. Full roll is about 15 meters. If we open up further, here we have a user manual. So there's a quick setup guide. There's also a cleaning sheet here included. And if we bend this carefully, we'll find there is no CD included. They don't supply software CDs anymore, it's all as a download. And here is the printer itself, so I'll just pop that there and get rid of the box. Okay, so we've got the printer here. If we take it out of its protective bag, find the printer is still new with its protective wrapping on top. We just go over the basics. About standard size, same size as any other Brother printer, Brother label printer. The buttons on top, we find we've got a power button, the editor light button, the cut button, and the feed button. The editor light is so you can print to the printer without actually installing any software, just runs straight from the printer itself. On the back we find power cable and the USB cable. Underside has 4 grippy rubber feet and some serial numbers. And if we peel the protective plastic off, we'll just peel off a little bit so as to keep this new. We can open the printer up and see it's pretty much just the same as any other QL label printer. The tape cartridges, they just slot in a normal manner like this, and then you feed the labels through there and out the front. The main difference between this and the QL-800 is that the QL-800 has wireless connectivity as well. It has the same features otherwise. The QL-800 can also take a battery pack attached to the bottom, which is sold separately. As far as the buttons go, on the QL-800, instead of just these 4 buttons, you have 2 rows of 3 buttons. It goes along the lines of power, feed, cut, then WPS, Wi-Fi, and editor light. The WPS is for quick connecting to Wi-Fi, and the Wi-Fi button is to turn the Wi-Fi on and off. So that's been the QL-800 series. For more information, visit labelzone.co.uk, or you can visit our blog, blog.labelzone.co.uk, to find a review of this printer. Thank you for watching.